Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to reply or chat very fast and naturally. So this it's a very great tool for the introverts or non-native speakers. So let's say, for example, you don't know how to speak English well, or even write your statements grammatically correct. You can use ChatGPT to do that. So why use it? It gets the tone just right, friendly, polite, flighty, or even professional. So when you use it, like for example, let's say here, let's say just a simple reply. Let's say, hey, then you click enter. Then ChatGPT will go ahead and also reply to your text. Then it goes ahead and say, hey, with an emoji. How can I help you today? Then you can say, like, for example, um, uh, I, like, for example, I am sad today. Then it will go ahead and give you an encouragement immediately. Something like, I am really sorry to hear that you're feeling sad today. I want to talk about what's going on. No pressure. I'm here for you either way. So you can go ahead and talk to it and give it your feelings the way you're feeling okay. It will go ahead and listen to you the whole time and it will try to comfort you, talking to you and all that. Then you can even give it a flatty kind of thing, kind of talk and all that. Then it can go ahead and give you that chat. So let's say, for example, uh, let's talk. Let's talk about depression. Then it can go ahead. If you're depressed, let's talk about depression. If you're depressed, so it will go ahead and give you absolutely. We can talk about depression. Depression is more than just a feeling, feeling sad. It's a mental health condition that can affect how you think, feel, and function in your daily life. It's not a weakness. It's not something people can just snap out of. It can be caused by many things: stress, trauma, chemical imbalance, chronic illness, loneliness, or even nothing obvious at all. So, some common symptoms, it goes ahead and gives you the symptoms that you need to know that if you're depressed, depression can look different for everyone. For some, it's quiet and invisible. For others, it's loud and consuming. The good news is that you're not alone and help is available. Therapy, support groups, medication. You can even go ahead and ask it, can you give me some therapy like this? Uh, some therapy on that, then it will go ahead. Yes, I can guide you through some supportive techniques that are used in the therapy. While I'm not a licensed therapist, and I can still offer evidence-based approaches to help you feel a little lighter right now. So it goes ahead and name what you're feeling, emotional labeling, and all that. It gives you the cognitive reframing. It goes ahead and gives you self-comparison break, group exercises, and all that. So you go ahead giving it tips and it will guide you through all the prompts. So you can go ahead and chat with ChatGPT on any problem. Remember, this is just a software that you're using. So everything, once you're done even chatting with it, you can go ahead and delete your chat if you don't want to see it here. Just go ahead, select it and delete it. So once you delete it, it will not appear there again once you're done chatting with your ChatGPT. So let's say, for example, I want to do away with this one. Just delete it. It goes away. Then you can go ahead and click on the new chat. And then you start again. Then you go ahead and start giving it the prompts the way you want it to look like. So if you have time and you're alone, please don't fall into depression. There's this platform that you can talk with. It can give you different techniques, different approaches on how you can approach things in life. Remember, it's all about looking for solutions and not problem. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.